What's up, guys?
What's happening?
In this episode, we take the Belair to Eastwood's classic summer cruise. All right, car's loaded up,
Yes.
gear's loaded up.
Yes.
Last thing to do is road trip montage.
Go letterbox.
We had an awesome time at Eastwood's summer cruise, and it was a really hot day,
So hot.
but there were a lot of incredible stuff, jam-packed with cool cars from the front of their lot all the way into their neighboring lot. So there was no shortage of cool stuff to look at.
Great food vendors too.
Oh my God, those hot dogs. Dangerous. Dangerous hot dogs.
They were the Underdog.
Underdog, yep. the
Oh my
Underdog.
gosh, they were so good.
Awesome.
We got to find a way to put their link.
Yeah, we'll put them somewhere in this video, but they were awesome. Great hot dog with like brisket on them. But it was a cool place. The whole show was awesome.
You didn't misspeak. There was brisket on that hot
It
dog.
was actual brisket.
It's awesome.
I had too many. Too many.
As you were.
But the show was awesome. We got a private tour of like the whole facility and how their R&D section, how they come up with new ideas and new products. We got to look at the studio side where they shoot all their videos. Like, it was cool to walk in that room and just see the backdrop you see in all their videos. It's like, that's it. That's the spot.
That's the spot.
And then I think it was Mark gave us a tour. So
Yeah.
it's like, that's the guy, and he's in the spot. But it was awesome. It was a really good time. I think your favorite car might have been
Oh, the Jeep.
the Jeep. Yeah.
Yeah, there was a CJ7. No, actually, I think it was a 5.
I think it was 5. Yeah, because it
It's
has
a
a short
5, but it was on a Model A chassis, which was kind of weird. It's a nice little weird rendition on a hot rod, and I like it. It's right up my alley.
It was really cool. It was really cool. There was what was the blue one behind it? It was a FJ?
Oh
Like
yeah,
the
it had a
Toyota?
BMW like V10 or 12. I don't
Yeah, it was
remember.
a V12, the
It was
SUV
wild.
motor. Yeah, that thing was
Wild.
cool too. We have footage of that. We'll put that up on screen. But yeah, that show. If you haven't been to their summer classic yet, you need to put it on your calendars for next year. It is incredible. It's a huge show. They have a bunch of giveaways, product demos, all kinds of cool stuff.
Discounts.
Yeah, everything in the store is on sale, so that's even better. We may have come home with a couple boxes of stuff. Whatever we could fit in here, we shoved it in there. So
It was packed.
yeah. We'll roll this footage now. Check it out. It's our recap of the show and all the things we saw over there.
We're not doing that.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's the car of my people. Food. So Andy's so invested on calling a car Orwell, he's already looked up that the Delaware license plate is available.
Yeah.
So. Andy is instantly drawn to the Jeep wrap.
Who's? Oh, an American. That's cool.
It's like a candy store.
One of the best parts about this show is being able to see all the new tools that Eastwood has coming down the pipeline. They have a whole room of R&D with all the new stuff set out, and you can just go in, check them all out, open the packages, play with the tools. It was really cool to go through there and see all kinds of neat stuff.
One of the other cool parts about it is getting to check out some of the demos. Basically, just like Dan just said with the other section, getting your hands on some of the products that you normally would just be able to see in a magazine or online. In this case, you can actually talk to the vendors and you can get your hands on some of these professional tools and talk to the people that make them.
This is where all the magic happens. That's the background. That's cool.
I don't know if you've been in here yet.
We walked through here
briefly.
Yeah.
This is just, we call it R&D. The product testing goes in here next to our R&D. Hired him recently a couple of years ago. We'll do all testing, even if it's stuff that's private label, we take through one done. And then also myself, Cody, and Nick, we do the development of some of the new stuff. Some of the products that are exclusive to us, paint chemicals.
One of the most impressive things about this whole experience was being able to see how huge their operation was. Like, I knew they were a big company, but I didn't realize how big they were until we walked into that warehouse, and it just goes on forever.
It's pretty cool how organized they are as well.
Yeah, it's super fine-tuned. They have a whole conveyor belt system with scanners and boxes all around, and everyone knows their duty. They just pull the boxes out, grab the products, and roll it down the thing to the end. It goes off into wherever it needs to go. It makes it really streamlined, efficient, so you're not really waiting on anything when you place an order with them.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I was impressed with that. That whole system was incredible. Hope you guys like this video. We're gonna post a couple links in the comment or in the description box down there for you guys on the Eastwood site, so you guys can check them out. If you're watching our channel, chances are you've already heard of Eastwood, but We're gonna put a link down there anyway.
And while you're down there, check out the Underdog.
Yes, we're gonna put a link to the Underdog. We're gonna, because they were just incredible. They hooked us up with a lot of hot dogs and made the hot day a lot more bearable sitting in the shade.
I don't know if it made it bearable or not. It might have made it worse, but oh, it was so
I was in a
worth it.
happy place while I was eating it, so that's all that mattered.
So good. So good.
But yeah, it's incredible. We had a great time. We can't wait to do it again. Eastwood were great hosts, and it's a great show. If you haven't been, again, mark your calendars for next year. It is the show to go to.
And get there early.
Yeah, get there early if they fill up quick. So, again, thanks for watching. If you like the video, if you like what we're doing, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, bring a friend. We like friends.
Bring two.
All right, thanks, guys.
You guys want shirts?
Do you have big guy sizes?
You got XL?
That's not it.
Still XL? Let's go to the bottom. Still XL? No. Still XL.
My wife would like it.
I think you said they're all XL. Oh, are they? I think that's